Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube family. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am showing you the most amazing and outstanding sofa design ideas for your common or your room or wherever you can use. In today's video, there are many amazing designs for you. If you are new to my channel and watching my videos, so please subscribe to my channel for more amazing ideas and for more amazing videos. And first of all, thanks a lot for supporting my channel and loving my videos. Welcome to a new standard of comfort and style. Introducing our premium wooden sofa, a masterpiece crafted from the finest solid wood, built with strength, care, and timeless elegance. Every curve, every joint, and every detail is designed to bring warmth and sophistication to your home. Whether it's a family gathering, a quiet evening with your favorite book, or hosting guests, this sofa is more than just furniture. It's place for memories. Our wooden sofa blends tradition with modern design, offering durability that lasts for years and comfort you will love every day. Strong, stylish, and reliable. It's not just a seat, it's an example. Bring home elegance of wood, bring home the comfort you deserve. Our wooden sofa where style meets strength. Home is more than just walls and a roof. It's where comfort lives, where memories are made, and where every piece of furniture tells a story. Our wooden sofa is not just a seat, it's the centerpiece of your living space. Crafted from premium solid wood, every inch is carefully polished, treated, and designed to bring out the natural beauty of wood grains, the timeless texture, the warm tones, and the durability of wood gives the sofa a character of its own. But beauty is nothing without comfort. That's why we have combined strong wooden frames with soft, cushioned sitting so you can relax, unwind, and feel supported every single day. From family movie nights to conversations that last for hours, this sofa is built to be a part of your life's most meaningful moments. Quality is at the heart of what we do. Our craftsmen pay attention to every joint, every curve, and every finishing touch. The result, a sofa is that not only looks stunning but also stands for years, even generations. Versatile in design, it complements both classic and modern interiors. Place it in a cozy living room, a stylish lounge, or even your office space, and it instantly adds charm, warmth, and elegance because a sofa isn't just where you sit, it's where you belong, where families gather, where laughter is shared, and where comfort meets strength. Bring home tradition, bring home style, bring home our wooden sofa. Built with care, designed with love and made to last a lifetime. Our wooden sofa is more than furniture, it's a statement, crafted from hand selected hardwood. Every curve and detail reflects precious and class. The polished finish enhances the natural grains of the wood, creating a masterpiece that elevates any living space. Experience strength you can trust, built with a solid wood frame. These sofas doesn't just look timeless, it's designed to last for decades. Each cushion is engineered for comfort, ensuring that every moment spent is one of relaxation and luxury. This is not a sofa for today only. It's a sofa that carries the charm of tradition and the promise of tomorrow for those who value craftsmanship, durability, and timeless design. This is your choice. Bring home a wooden sofa that blends heritage with modern sophistication because true luxury is not about trends, it's about timeless beauty. Emotional family style. Every home has a heartbeat, every family has a story, and the center of that story is a place where people come together, the sofa. Our wooden sofa is built with more than wood and fabric. It's built with love, strength, and comfort. From the sturdy wooden frame to the soft, welcoming cushions, it's designed to hold not just people but moments. The laughter of children, the quiet comfort of a late night chat, the warmth of a family gathering. This sofa holds it all, strong enough to last for generations and comfortable enough to make you feel at home every day. This isn't just a wooden sofa, it's the seat of your memories, the place where bonds are strengthened, stories are shared, and love finds its space. Bring home the comfort, bring home the connection, bring home our wooden sofa where family moments live forever. I hope you like my today's video. I will be right back very soon with another new and creative ideas. Till then, take care of yourself a lot. I'll be right back very soon. Allah Hafiz.